Welcome to the NAV People's Knowledge Hub. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the vendor card, which you can find by choosing Vendor in the navigation pane of the Role Center. To edit a vendor, select one and choose Edit in the ribbon. You can delete a vendor here by clicking Delete, but Dynamics NAV will not allow you to do this if there are any open ledger entries against the vendor. Taking a closer look at the vendor card, you will see that you are able to attach a file of your choice using one of the NAV People's enablements. In the Vendor Statistics fact box, you can view things such as balance, outstanding invoices, and outstanding orders. Firstly, let's take a look at the balance. As you can see, clicking on Balance displays all the ledger entries affecting the balance for this vendor. In the Buy from Vendor History fact box, you can view things such as quotes, orders, invoices, and posted receipts. When we select Orders, you can view all the orders associated with this vendor. In the Links fact box, you can add or remove links related to this vendor, such as their website. In the Notes fact box, you are able to add notes relating to the vendor, such as tasks or instructions, which you can even assign to certain people. These notes will then appear in the user's role center. In the General FAST tab, there is general information about the vendor, such as company name and balance. In the Addresses and Contact FAST tab, there is contact information, such as address, phone number, email address, fax number. In the Invoicing FAST tab, you can enter information such as posting groups and currency codes. In the Payment FAST tab, you can enter information about the vendor's payment terms, like their payment method code and their BACS account number. In the Receiving FAST tab, you can enter information such as the location from which items of this vendor will be shipped and the method in which they are shipped. And that's been a complete overview of the vendor card. The NAV People offer free training on all aspects of NAV. Please visit our website to find out more, www.thenavpeople.com.